Hello and welcome. Well, for me it's a bit of a sad moment because I'm leaving Gdańsk right now, but it's also an exciting moment because I'm heading to Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. My final view of Gdańsk. What a fantastic place to actually leave my van. I'm even going to turn the camera up now so you can get a better look at where we are. So there's my van. There, the centre of the city. We've got the river here, the Motorhome. We've got a tourist pirate boat going past, 3 masts, although powered by a diesel engine. What a fantastic view I've had in the couple of weeks I've been here. Absolutely wonderful. So sad to leave. Anyway, all good things come to an end, and now I'm off.